Hello friends, today we are going to learn about the difference between JVM, JDK and JRE. I am Arun R.S. Chandran. Hope all of you are doing good. In last session, we have learned about how to set up JDK and how to set up an STS as an IDE and how to write Java programs using an IDE. Today, let us learn a little bit theory about what is JDK, what is JRE and what is JVM. JVM is Java Virtual Machine, which is just like it doesn't have any physical presence in your operating system. It comes with JRE or with JDK. I'll explain the detail in later. And now JVM helps you to run compiled bytecodes. For example, you write your .java file, and when you compile it, it generates .class file, which is nothing but a bytecode. If you have this bytecode can run only on top of a JVM, that is Java Virtual Machine. So Java Virtual Machine's responsibility is to run your particular class file or particular bytecode which you have generated. So is JVM a platform independent one? No, JVM is not platform independent. For Unix, Linux, Mac and Windows, all these different operating systems have different JVMs. We need to install JVM. But JVM makes your Java code, your Java program platform independent, because you just generate a bytecode and this bytecode can run on any JVM which is installed in any operating system. Now let us come to JRE. What is JRE is Java Runtime Environment. Meaning, to run a Java application, we need to have certain libraries installed in our machine. That is part of JVM. So, JRE is responsible for bringing the libraries together with the JVM. Actually, JRE contains a JVM and the supporting libraries. So, if you have a JRE present in your machine, that means you have JVM available in your machine and you can run your Java code. Third, JDK. It is Java Development Kit. Means it contains a JRE, and to develop a Java code, we need some more additional development tools or some libraries. We need to get that as part of JDK. So JDK helps you to develop software codes using the development tools, and it will help you to run it on a JRE which contains a JVM. Now we know JVM is the environment which is a virtual machine which doesn't have any physical presence, which will help you to run a Java program, and JDK contains a JRE and a JVM. If someone wants to run a Java program, JRE installation is alone required. At the same time, if you want to develop something on Java, then you need to have JDK, Java Development Kit. Hope all of you understood the differences between JDK, JRE and JVM. And if you have any questions, queries, let us know through the comments. We are happy to help you out. If you have not subscribed to this channel, subscribe to us for more video tutorials. Thank you.